Hello guys, review smartphone Huawei Y5p. Start unpacking, open box and look compactation. Device in the green color, camera, plastic body, okay, compactation, adapter for charging and micro USB cable. That's all compactation, okay. Camera, one camera, 8 megapixels, LED, front side 5.4 inch, front camera, speaker and sensors, left side slot for 2 nano SIM card, micro SD card for memory, right side power key volume case, downside USB Type-C micro USB port, upside headphones jack. Okay, turn on device, display IPS HD resolution, open settings, about phone, version UMI 10.1.0, version Android 10, CPU MediaTek MT6762, RAM memory 2GB, Intel memory 32GB, resolution, okay. Open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. Antutu score, okay. Demanding game Asphalt 9. Look how this game works on the device. We don't have Play Market on this phone, only App Gallery by Huawei. Wait, loading. Okay, I show you game. Load, skip. Okay, game load. Low graphics settings, but game works good. Without lags and glitches, low graphics, but we can play on a good level. Smooth. And now I show you photos on the main 8 megapixel camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.